Hi guys, so something different today. I'm getting an excavator. I'm doing a voiceover here because walking and breathing is already stretching my cognitive capacity to the brim. Okay, so this, what you're seeing here is the edge of the property, and it doesn't really show how steep that inclination is, but I'm thinking that this is the only way to bring in material to the property. So the first project would be to flatten that out to make a small road for it. And the reason here also I'm showing just how steep the inclinations are. Yeah, the main reason why I'm getting the excavator is because the wife has been talking about a Japanese garden and a pond. But in my opinion, I think our garden is like really, really ugly. So putting a Japanese garden somewhere is just like putting lipstick on a pig. Anyway, the idea is to put the main part of the Japanese garden up here between the house and the garage, and to remove this plantation that has been set here since before. And again, it's a bit hard to see, but there is quite an inclination between the garage and the house. So this needs to be flattened out, and I'm thinking about taking these land masses and using them downhill to make that quite steep hill slightly smaller, which will be achieved by shaving down the higher side and to use the rest of the material to put in this cavity here. So maybe we'll have a waterfall up there and a small stream down to a pond here somewhere. I'll pause the video here for a bit and say that it's quite windy from the fields, so I made sure to get an auger to the excavator as well, so that I will be able to put posts and maybe like a rebar netting quite high, and make sure that we have evergreens growing there to protect us from the wind, to make it a bit nicer to actually be down here during summertime. And yeah, that's one more project. Not to mention the greenhouse with a sand battery below it, for example. There will most likely be a lot of side quests, like digging for electricity and water, and yeah, maybe modifying the excavator, building other stuff that might help with the projects. I might even consider doing like live feeds by attaching a camera to the boom of the excavator, if you would like to see something like that. So please like and subscribe, and please let me know if this seems interesting to you. See you later.